Let's learn how to solve this question from JEE Advanced 2015. We are given f and g, two functions, and we have to find the range of f of g, and so on. So let's first start with the range of f. We can write f first, which is sine of pi by 6, sine of pi by 2, sine x. And to find the range, we can start from the innermost loop. So from here, we can see that the range of this term is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And this is the domain of sine, which means that sine of pi by 2 sine x will be between minus 1 to 1. And therefore, the domain of the outer sine will be minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. And therefore, range of f will be minus half to half. And we can see that option A is correct. Now we have to find range of f of g. So first let's write f of g. So f of g is sine of pi by 6 sine pi by 2 sine, and then gx, which is pi by 2 sine x. And we can see that this term is between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And using the same logic as with the f, we can see that the outer sine will have the domain of minus pi by 6 to pi by 6, and therefore range of f of g is minus half to half, and option B is also correct. Now let's check the limit of f over g. Limit of f over g, f is sine pi by 6 sine pi by 2 sine x. And we can see that as x tends to 0, this whole term tends to 0. Therefore, we can use sine x over x equals to 1, right? So we have to make sine x over x, which means this. And we have to multiply because we divided it. And we have to write gx as well. So gx is pi by 2 sine x. And we can see that we have sine x over x in this term. And as well as we can see that there is sine x by x in this term as well. And both of them will be 1 because x tends to 0. Therefore, we are left with only pi by 6. Therefore, option C is also correct. Now, let's check option D. Option D says that there is an x such that g of f is 1. G of f is pi over 2 sine of fx. And this has to be 1, which means sine of fx should be 2 over pi. And we already know the range of f, which is minus half to half. And therefore, the range of left hand side, or we can just write left hand side, is less than or equals to sine of half and minus sine of half. And we can see that this value, which is the maximum value of the left hand side, sine half, is less than half. But the right hand side, which is 2 over pi, is greater than half. Therefore, there is no such x. And hence, option D is rejected. That's it. If you like this solution, consider subscribing this channel.